Hello everyone, welcome to 3DDesignAcademy.com. In this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Weld tool. So the Weld tool is used to combine either edges or CVs together. So you can find the tool over here or here on the palette, and if you prefer the puck, you can also find it over here. Now in order to use the tool, all you have to just click on it, click one edge that you want to combine, and click on the other. But of course, you can also use the CV instead. So I can just click on the CV and you can just use Control to CV snap and click on this, and it's also going to have a similar effect. Now there are three modes. So if you were to click on the weld, the first one is to target. So this one, I'm going to click on one edge, and if I were to click over here, you will see that I'm able to click to the target, which is the second one that I made the selection of. Now, if you use the midpoint, if I were to select either the CVs or the edges together, you'll see that it goes in the middle. Now, tool tolerance really depends on the gap. So with this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate over this model to the other side, mirror it like this. But if you zoom in together, you'll notice that there is a little gap. So I'm just going to do a quick measurement. And you'll notice that the gap between these two are about a mil. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the weld tool again, and I'm going to have it set to tolerance, and I'm just going to have the weld tolerance to a little bit higher, to 3 mils. So right now, I'm just going to drag across all of the CVs like this, and you'll notice that these CVs, which is within the tolerance measurement, are now combined together. But as you can see, if I were to do the same thing over here, nothing happens because the gap is a little bit bigger than 3 mils. All right, so that is how to use the weld tool. Now, of course, there are going to be occasions where you want to separate the pieces as well. So let's say I want to separate these pieces over here, and that's where the Unweld tool comes in. Now with the Unweld tool, you can find it over here. On the palette, however, you have to click and hold in order to access the Unweld tool. And on the puck, you can also find it over here. So in order to unweld the surfaces, what you can do is you can click on the edge loop like this in order to click all of them. And you can just click on the Unweld tool. And now these two pieces are two separate entities. All right, so that is how to use the Weld tool and the Unweld tool. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next lesson. Want to learn Autodesk Alias and digital sculpting? Then become a member at 3DDesignAcademy.com, where you'll find hundreds of video tutorials ranging from basics, including curve creations, intermediate level tutorials such as this wheel, all the way to Class A modeling of the entire car exterior. Interested? Visit 3DDesignAcademy.com.